the X300, one quick tip when you're mowing lawn. And right now this morning, I'm mowing in between raindrops basically. It's been raining the last, I don't know how many days, so it's been hard to get anything done. Grass has got extremely long. What tends to happen for some mowers, this one's not too bad, but like you see out in front, you get a little bit of clumping or rowing where it doesn't just float in. This is a mulching deck. What you do is, one, you cut it twice. The second time you cut it, just raise your deck up. And then those blades going above those clippings actually will take it and toss it in and level it out for you. So that's just another quick Road to Project Specialist tip. You get done, you go over it once or twice. The second time with the deck raised up, and that'll get rid of any clumping or chunks that you may have. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out those other tips at Road to Project Specialist. Next up, I got a load of firewood in the back of the pickup that goes in the woodshed. Hopefully I can get that done before I get rained on. Have a great day.